I am early. I know, write it down.
It's 1 in the morning. I'm not doing none of that.
Bon appetit.
I just bought a plant. Hi guys, welcome back to another little vlog. It's a weekend vlog. It's Friday, March 18th. Happy birthday, Simone. Happy birthday, Moni. It's my cousin's birthday. But I'm actually celebrating today my friend Taylor's birthday, which was on the 7th, but I was out of town for her birthday celebration, so I'm taking her out to dinner, and I just wanted to start this vlog before I forget, because I already forgot to kind of like vlog a little bit while I was at the mall, because of course I didn't get her gift until now. Duh. But now I'm about to go to Wow, the hair store. All right, come on. I'm about to go to Wow and get some hair, because I'm going to be braiding my hair this weekend. So y'all will be seeing that. And then after that, I'm going to head to the restaurant. I'm just wearing my work clothes because I knew that if I went home first and then went to dinner, it probably wouldn't have happened. Like Friday nights when I go home, I'm in the house. I ain't leaving again. So yeah. Anyways,
in a quarter of a mile, turn right on Van Owen Street.
The GPS is trying to do too much and I gotta drive, so I'm gonna catch y'all when I get to the restaurant. You guys, for the first time in my life, I am early. I know, write it down. I hope you guys can even hear me. It's kind of loud in here, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm early to the restaurant. Happy birthday to you. You're so embarrassed. I can't even sing the whole song. Let's just eat it. You have to make a wish. And don't say it out loud. You always say your wishes out loud. Okay. Yay. Hi guys. It is way later this Saturday afternoon. It's like almost 4. I just took a long ass nap. I washed my hair this morning. And then I put like a mask in it. My eyelashes look crazy, but I put a mask in my hair and I fell asleep because I was so tired. And I slept for like 3 hours and I had the mask in my hair for 3 hours. So I just rinsed it out and now I'm about to start the process of braiding my hair. But I need a coffee first, so I'm about to make a coffee real quick and then we'll get started on the braiding. Ugh. I really don't feel like it, but I think after the coffee, I'll be like energized and ready to go. Oh, I wanted to show you guys the candles I got from Bath & Body Works and the soaps. So I don't think I ever showed you guys anything that I got. Okay, hopefully you guys can see me. The first one I got is this Ocean Driftwood candle. This smells like Abercrombie & Fitch, but in the best way. It says, does it have notes? Beachside oak, sea-washed mahogany, ocean lavender with natural essential oils. This smells really good and the packaging is pretty. I like the lid on it too. Then I got mahogany coconut. This was a new one to me and this smells amazing. Oh, I love that. This has creamy coconut, mahogany woods, English lavender with natural oils. I feel like all of the candles that I got are kind of the same. Mahogany, lavender, coconut, something of the sort. I got coconut sandalwood. This one is coconut palm, luxurious sandalwood, warm musk, and jasmine. This one's like really light. The jasmine really pops through on this one. And then I just got my classic bergamot waters. Cat hair on it. Bergamot waters is like one of my favorites. It just smells like a man, kind of, in my opinion. It's Blue Waters, Bergamot, Blue Waters, and Sandalwood. I just love that scent. So those are the candles I got. And then the soaps, I got the Mahogany Coconut and this hand soap. I also got White Tea and Sage. This is a new one for me, I think, Cucumber and Lily. And this one smells really, really fresh and good. It's Cucumber, Green Tea, Lily of the Valley. And then the last one I got is this Waikiki Beach Coconut. I didn't really like the candle of that one for whatever reason, but the hand soap is okay. I think the candle was a little too sweet. Anyways, I'm about to make my coffee and then we're gonna get started on this hair.
I'm letting go and the law things above. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone with soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. But fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting off in the mouth.
So, I'm about to take a sushi break here soon. I ordered food and I'm hungry as hell. So I haven't ate since like, oh my god, what's happening? I haven't ate since like noon, so it's now getting close to 7, I think. Yeah, girl is hungry. But this is how far along I've come. So far, so good. But I'm gonna show you guys my food and talk to y'all in a little bit. I really just went down to get my food looking like this. Really cute. But anyways, sushi. I'm gonna wash my hands, take off my mask, wash my hands, and then we'll start. Show you guys what I got. This lighting is terrible and my AC's on, so you guys probably can barely hear me, and I'm about to find something to watch on YouTube while I eat, but I'm so excited. Yeah, girl is starving. I gotta try one of these crispy tuna rices. I got hella crispy tuna rice because it was buy one get one free, so you know, might as well. I see why it was buy one get one free. It's not the best, but I got yellowtail sashimi, dragon roll, salmon truffle, albacore tuna, seaweed salad, and miso soup. But this lighting's ugly, so I'm gonna see y'all later. Y'all, I'm still braiding my hair. It's 1 in the morning and it just started pouring raining. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Maybe you can, maybe you can't, but yeah, this is what we got going on with the hair. I'm honestly ready to give up and go to bed. So yeah, and I was supposed to film tonight, do my nails tonight, clean. It's 1 in the morning. I'm not doing none of that. Good morning. I'm watching Dana Alexia, so that's what's loud in the back. Hold on. It's like 8:30, but I went to bed at like 3:30, so I'm tired. Do you guys want to see how embarrassing I am and how much laundry I have to fold and clean, put away? Look at this. Look at this. We started folding over here, but what in the world? what in the world? And my couch is done for. So if you saw it cracking, don't mind your business, first of all. Second of all, I'm getting a new couch, so comment down below some couch suggestions. Anyways, I just want to check in with you guys. We are going to brunch this afternoon at noon is the time for the reservation. So I'm on a time ticking clock because I still didn't film. So I want to film before I go so that I can edit when I get back and post. Because your girl has not uploaded a video in a week and I am so sorry about that. So yeah, I'm going to brunch with my friend Andre. You guys met Andre when we went to the Black Market Flea in that vlog. So yeah, I'm excited. We're going to Blaqhaus. Is that what it's called? I could be completely wrong, but I've been there before back in the day with my friend Charles, and it was whack as fuck. And now it's like Black owned. It's lit. They got hookah. They got good food apparently. I haven't been yet, so I'm really excited. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with us. But anyways, I don't have much time to talk because as you saw, I have 90,000 loads of laundry to do. So I'm gonna get that handled. I'll probably come back on here once I'm actually ready for the day, and then we can carry out the rest of the day. I'll see y'all later. Oh my god, I didn't even realize you didn't see it. I finally made it to brunch. I'm with Andre, he's making out his food. But y'all, this outfit, I couldn't get it together. I was really struggling. Andre got here right on time. I'm like, hold on, sorry, I'm still figuring it out. I'm a basic bitch, but it's okay. We don't drink these mimosas. That's my outfit. My outfit though, it's giving basic.
It's giving titties.
That's true. It is giving titties. But I'm about to order some hookah, and then we got the bottomless. I got pineapple. It's kind of good. How was the orange?
Bomb.
Bomb.
It's good.
Okay, good.
Need some more alcohol though.
All right. Well, good thing they're bottomless because we're gonna be. Did you say her name was Destiny? I don't remember. Damn, I'm gonna have to ask the waiter her name again because I'm gonna be like, hey, I need another margarita. I mean, or margarita. Make it a margarita. Y'all, that food was bomb. I'm so full.
Bon appetit. Bon appetit. So we're at the next location. Hi. We're at El Tejano. Oh, my drink. Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome.
Anything else? That's it for us.
The close out, leave it open.
I'm probably gonna close it out, yeah.
Same time.
Thank you. Oh my god, we can't even barely cheers these big ass drinks.
These are fucking huge.
I know. It's $2 more though. Like why not? You
Why
want a
not?
fucking cup?
We gotta pick it. It's bigger than my face.
Yeah, literally.
Oh my god, I can pick it up. Okay.
Okay. Cheers. And bomb as fuck. Ooh.
Okay, speaking of sugar, how much? There's hella sugar in this shit.
There is, but it could have been worse if it was on. Thank you. If it was. If it was the frozen ones, those are worse, I feel like.
Yeah.
We came back out in the windstorm. Not the best idea, but I wanted to change the scenery and now it's I'm about to get blown the fuck away. I just bought a plant. Ooh,
Oh,
the sun is
too.
hitting over here.
The sun is hitting.
Woo! Okay. Hi guys. It's the next night. I don't even know where I left off on this vlog, but I just know I never closed it out. And I was drunk yesterday after, so I think I took you guys with us. Yeah, I did. I took you guys with us after the brunch spot. We went to El Tejano. And after El Tejano, we came back to my house and I was drunk, girl, drunk. Then I think we smoked, so then I was crossfaded. But regardless, I just never finished filming this video, and I was supposed to be filming a video tonight. That's why I got ready. Well, I got ready so I could finish this TikTok that I was filming about my hair. Like, not about it, but just like showing the process of me doing my hair. But I never filmed like the finished product and like me with makeup on, so I got ready just now to do that. And then I was gonna film a YouTube video. I'm trying to put this on my stand without actually putting it on my stand, and this is probably a very bad idea. Okay, but anyways, yeah, so I don't feel like filming an actual video right now. I'm so freaking tired. It's only 9:20 and I'm ready for bed. I'm about to wash this makeup off and go to bed. Actually, I think I'm gonna edit this video so that I can have a vlog for tomorrow, because it's been a week and your girl hasn't posted, and it's just sad. I'm just going out sad. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't even know if I vlogged that much. I don't know how long this vlog is gonna be, but it was a fun weekend, can't lie. We did dinner on Friday with Tay. Saturday, I did my hair and cleaned. And then Sunday was Sunday fun day. And that brunch spot, Blaqhaus, NoHo, bomb, 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 bomb. It's like a vibe too, so I definitely will be back. But anyways, sorry my hair looks good, so I'm just checking it out. But well, I did my nails too while I was drunk last night, so really cute. It's the same color that I had my nails the last time. This one only has like 2 coats, I think, but it's fine. It does the job, you know? So yeah, anyways, I'm rambling. I ain't even talking about nothing. I just want to close out this video. I love y'all. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, especially if you want to see my little hair TikTok. The red hair is like just very me. Red hair Sam, she's that girl. She's like, that's Miami vibes. Usually I have red hair when I go to Miami. But anyways, I'm tired and I'm rambling, and I'll talk to you guys later. Love you.
Yeah. You ran through my mind. It's like I'm on the freeway. Yeah, baby. You